AI YouTube automation, a lucrative affiliate opportunity. Ever wondered how AI-powered YouTube automation could be the key to unlocking a lucrative affiliate opportunity? Overview of the opportunity. Create passive affiliate marketing income in 2 easy steps for true YouTube automation. This is not just an explainer video. This is a hot opportunity to make money in affiliate marketing and the exact steps to take to do it. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking AI tool that not only simplifies the process of video creation, but also opens doors to a lucrative affiliate partnership program. Say hello to Pictory, a game changer in the realm of content creation. Pictory is not your average video creation tool. It's a revolutionary AI-driven platform designed to transform text into captivating high-quality videos with cutting-edge AI voiceovers. Imagine the ability to craft compelling YouTube content in just 5 minutes. Pictory is here to make that vision a reality. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, Pictory empowers you to effortlessly generate engaging videos that speak to your audience. The 2 easy steps to create passive affiliate marketing income are: Step 1. Recreate this video. Introducing Pictory software and affiliate program in your own words. Use ChatGPT to effortlessly craft a compelling YouTube script. For this video, I simply asked ChatGPT to introduce Pictory and the benefits of its affiliate marketing program. ChatGPT simplifies the script writing process, ensuring your message is clear, concise, and resonates with your target audience. Join my Facebook group, and I'll give you the exact prompts I used. Once you have your script ready, it's time to bring it to life. Enter Pictory, the AI tool that seamlessly transforms your text into visually stunning videos. In a matter of minutes, witness your words come alive as Pictory combines them with high-quality AI voiceovers, creating content that captivates viewers. This step-by-step process is not just a pathway to success. It's a blueprint for anyone looking to monetize their content effortlessly. Step 2. The Affiliate Partnership Program. I've forged a special partnership with Pictory, creating a unique opportunity for anyone seeking passive income. Through this affiliate partner program, I'm inviting individuals who want to replicate this video's strategy for creating passive income to become Pictory affiliate partners. As a Pictory affiliate, you will earn recurring commissions of up to 50% and get a free lifetime Pictory premium account plus a $1,000 cash bonus. All this by just replicating this video and sharing the deal with your community. The deal: becoming a Pictory affiliate partner is as simple as clicking on the affiliate link provided in the description below and signing up. Pictory requires that you create a user login. You can sign up for a free trial without a credit card. Once you're on the homepage, click the Become an Affiliate Today button in the lower right-hand corner. There, you'll get your own affiliate link to put in the description field of your videos to start earning passive income. There are 3 commission tiers giving you more, based on sales. You start off at 20%. Now here's the good part. For everyone that watches your video and becomes a Pictory affiliate partner, you will make a 10% commission on their sales forever. This is why I want you to be so successful, because your success is my success. You can make Pictory videos for free, but you have limited features and the Pictory watermark throughout your video. I recommend you use Pictory Pro. It's $39 per month, saving %15 on the annual plan. Pro gives you superior 220 videos per month, premium Getty videos, and 11 Lab superior AI voices. Pro videos are of the highest quality and most compelling for sharing this affiliate opportunity. You can also just pay for 1 month of Pictory, create your video as a passive income stream, and then go back to the free version. And to help you out, please use my promo code in the description below to get 20% off. This is something you will be able to offer your viewers as well. How much can you make? Based on my 20 years of experience in affiliate marketing, this Affiliate Plus free offer will have a high click-through and conversion rate. You don't have to go viral or have to have a lot of subscribers to be successful. Results may vary, but you could reasonably expect to have 3 paid conversions per 100 views, resulting in $280. 1,000 views should return $2,800. If 1,000 views of your video brings Pictory 30 new affiliates, and if they recreate this video and have the same results, your 10% commission from their sales will be another $800. This one video alone can result in monthly passive income of around $8,000 per month at maturity. Subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online, and click the link in the description below. Learn about my masterclass, ChatGPT Online Income Blueprint, and I will email you a step-by-step guide along with my Pictory script and the exact ChatGPT prompts I uses to create the video. You can do this. You don't need tech skills. ChatGPT and Pictory are easy to use, and it's free. Pro makes the most convincing videos, but with free you can get an acceptable video out there. If you only get a third of the sales, it's still pretty good. You can update it to Pro after making some money and create a better video, showcasing Pictory's full feature set to make more sales. So seize the opportunity. Pictory offers you a gateway to financial success, giving you true YouTube automation and a no-brainer affiliate revenue opportunity. Join me on this exciting journey by clicking my affiliate link below. Let's turn your online passive income dreams into reality.